Hello everyone, welcome to TSS online class. I am your English teacher Santosh sir, and today I present the new video of chapter 2nd noun. Dear student, in previous video we also discussed about proper noun and common noun. I hope you understand well, and on the basis of that there is an exercise. That exercise is very easy for you because if you understand what is proper noun and what is common noun, then you can do it very easily. Okay student, now we will study about abstract noun and collective noun. Dear student, abstract noun you have also studied class 6 that what is abstract noun, but in this class you also study. Dear student, abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun कहते किसको हैं? Dear student, an abstract noun is the name of some quality, feelings or idea that we cannot see or touch but think of or feel. Means abstract noun is the thing that think of feelings, quality, idea, and it will be only we cannot see or touch, but we only think or feel. मतलब उसको केवल हम लोग महसूस कर सकते हैं और उसके बारे में सोच सकते हैं. उसको हम लोग न तो टच कर सकते हैं न तो देख सकते हैं. Just as a person have a lot of kindness. अगर कोई एक पर्सन है जिसके पास बहुत ज्यादा काइंड पर्सन है, तो क्या हम लोग उसकी काइंडनेस को, व्हाट अमाउंट ऑफ काइंडनेस ही है, कितना उसके अंदर काइंडनेस है, क्या हम लोग देख सकते हैं? नहीं देख सकते हैं. सेम वे एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन इज कैन नॉट सी और टच. उसको न तो हम देख सकते हैं और न ही उसको टच कर सकते हैं. So, dear student, it is the abstract noun. Okay, here is some example of abstract noun, just like joy, anger, message, popularity, courtesy. So, it is a lot of examples of abstract noun are there. But we write only few examples are there. And here, from common noun, how we can form abstract noun. Common noun को हम कैसे abstract noun में form करते हैं, कैसे बनाते हैं? Just like child. Child को abstract noun में बनाना है, तो child का abstract noun childhood. Friend का abstract noun friendship, and so on. Here from verb means from verb we can also make abstract noun. Just like grow का growth, move movement, heal health, and so many of. And here from adjective से भी हम लोग abstract noun को बना सकते हैं. Just like strong का strength, long length, brave bravery. So it is many abstract noun are there. And you also have an exercise in which you frame abstract noun. Okay student? Now I hope you understand what is abstract noun and how we make abstract noun from common noun, from verb and from adjective. And here collective noun. Name से ही जाएगा. What is collective noun? A collective noun is the name of collection of people or things taken together of a whole. Means collective noun is the noun that name of a collection of people के collection को भी हो सकता है, things किसी सामानों के collection को हो सकता है, taken together of a whole, मतलब उस पूरे को जो है एक whole के रूप में जाना जाता है collective noun. Just as here is the some example of collective noun. Just as a litter of puppies are kitten. Means puppies और kitten की collection को क्या कहते हैं? Litter. Then a shoal of fish means collection of fish is known as shoal. Fish की collection को हम लोग shoal कहते हैं. A string of pearls. Pearls के collection को हम लोग string कहते हैं. A fleet of sheep. Sheep के collection को fleet कहते हैं. Constellation of stars. जो stars होते हैं आकाश में दिखाई देते हैं. तो collection of stars is known as constellation. Constellation उसको कहते हैं. And a grove of trees means collection of tree is known as grove. Okay, student, and there in some books there is also kinds of noun are there, just like a material noun. But in your book there is only 4 kinds of noun there, and I tell you only about material noun. Material noun is the name of material or things. Material noun क्या होता है? किसी भी materials के नाम को हम लोग material noun कहते हैं. जैसे gold, silver, iron, tin. This is the name of material. So in your book there is only 4 kinds of noun. Therefore I explain you only 4 kinds of noun. Okay, I hope you understand very well abstract noun and collective noun, and after that there is an exercise in your book. First exercise is match the abstract noun को match करना है, and there is exercise is also there in which we can make abstract noun को कैसे बनाते हैं. I hope you understand, and there is any problem in your exercise that is in your book, therefore you can message me or call me. I will be available during your online class. Okay? Thanks. Hello student, welcome back. Now student, there is another topic in your book, that is countable and uncountable noun. Means countable noun, जैसा कि नाम से ही पता है कि what is countable noun. So if anyone asks you about what is countable noun, you can easily answer that a countable noun has a plural form and it can be counted. Means countable noun has a plural form. Means countable noun जो होता है उसका plural form बन सकता है, यानी कि वो सिंगुलर में भी होता है और प्लूरल में भी होता है. तो that is countable noun. Means singular और plural दोनों में ही होता है, and it can be counted. Means that can be count easily, जिसको हम लोग आसानी से काउंट कर सकते हैं, गिन सकते हैं, दैट इज काउंटेबल नाउन। ओके स्टूडेंट, you understand well? And one more times I tell you that a countable noun has a plural form. Countable noun के plural form हो सकते हैं and it can be counted और उसको हम लोग count कर सकते हैं। Here is the example of countable noun. Example is chair, book, table, copy, member, etc. Means chair can also be counted and it has also a plural form. And second is book. Book is also a countable noun because book is in singular form and books is in plural form, and we can also count the book also. Okay student, and next table is the countable noun and we can count easily, and it has a plural form also. इसके plural form भी होते हैं। And here copy is the singular form and copies is the plural form. Means copy countable noun है, इसका plural form copies होता है और इसको हम लोग count कर सकते हैं। Just like I ask you, how many copies have you? आपके पास कितनी कॉपी हैं? You can count easily and you tell that I have 10 copies or 12 copies. So copy is the countable noun. And here member is also countable noun because you can count it and it has a plural form also. Member, the plural form, members, and etc. So on. Okay student, I hope you understand what is countable noun. And here uncountable noun means जिसको हम लोग काउंट नहीं कर सकते। Here an uncountable noun will not have a plural form and it cannot be counted. Means जो uncountable nouns have not plural form and it cannot be counted. जो uncountable noun होते हैं उसके plural form नहीं होते हैं और उसको हम लोग count भी नहीं कर सकते। Just like beauty. If I ask you what is the plural of beauty, you cannot say because it has not plural form and it cannot counted also. इसको गिन भी नहीं सकते और इसकी plural form भी नहीं बन सकते। And second is pen. Pen is also uncountable noun because it has not a plural form and it cannot be counted also. And kindness is also cannot be counted and it not have plural form. Same way cowardice is not have any plural form and it cannot be counted. And sight is not have plural form and it cannot be counted also. Okay student, I hope you understand what is countable and uncountable noun. On the basis of this, you can also make a strong note, good note, and you can also there is some exercises in your book. You can also fill and do that. If you have any problem in your exercise, you can message me. I will be available during your online class and I give you answer also. Okay, thanks for watching.